how to create some awesome visual effects in Affinity Photo very quickly in 2.3. Something like this, or something like this, or perhaps something like this. So open an image, make certain the image is not locked. So here you might see a lock, just deselect that. Once you've done that, I would suggest go to Filters, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Just subtle blur, very, very subtle. So Gaussian Blur, something like 15, and click Apply. With that, go over here, make certain it's selected the Move tool, and press Return or Enter on the keyboard. With that, you've got this option, Scale. And instead of going down, say 99, 98, what you can do, you can go the other way. So just push this up, 101, 105, say 105. You can also click Duplicate and also number of copies. So number of copies, maybe 7 or 8. You don't have to go too far. But what you can also do is you can go over here and change horizontal or vertical. I'm just going to go with vertical, so it goes down slightly. The real magic comes here. Just go here to the Layers panel. You can find that in the window menu. Go to Layers and then go down here to Negation. And in Negation, you get this result very quickly, this amazing visual effect. And you can also, of course, increase it, maybe go for 14, 15, 16, sort of effect you would see in like a 1970s, 1980s sort of Top of the Pops or pop show. Those sort of unusual designs. And of course, other designs can be created. Open another image and again make certain it's not locked. So click there. Make certain the Move tool selected. And then you can go over here to the Layers and make certain the blend mode again is one of these ones, something like Negation. So you can just set it to Negation. At this point, nothing changes. But again, press Return or Enter on the keyboard and then go over here to Scale. And instead of 100%, set it to maybe 108, 106. Set Duplicate on, and then number of copies, maybe make it 5 or 6, and you can see the effect there. You can also blur it as well. So again, blur is a really great way of creating some more interesting effects. So Filters, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. And maybe instead of 15, maybe go for 21. You want to still be able to see the image. Click Apply. Exactly the same as before, press Return or Enter on the keyboard. This panel will appear and you can change the scale. And you make it 107, 108. You can also change rotation, set duplicates, and then increase this to maybe 5 or 6. You don't have to go too far. Make certain the layer is set to negation. And once you've got that, you can then click OK. And you can see the end result there. You've got multiple layers, but you've also got this wonderful visual effect. Now the key thing is, if you want to actually create it as a pixel layer, simply deselect everything, no layers are selected. Then go to Layer, and you can go down here to Merge Visible. So it becomes, right at the top, a pixel layer. And you can then manipulate that further. Maybe go again to the Move tool, and again, press Return, and again, you've got this panel. And of course, you can do exactly the same as before. So duplicate, number of copies, increase that, set the scale, and then also go to the layers, and you can do it while you've got this panel here. Just go down here and set it to negation. And you've got this effect very quickly. And then click OK. You can also simply just go over here and remove a layer or two. So just get rid of one, go through that, and you might say, you know what, I think that's a much better result. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Thank you much.